Hey everyone, I'm Freddie. Welcome to Heybike Station. Today, we are unboxing the Heybike Galaxy C. Let's get started. Cut the straps, then remove the white plastic on both sides of the box. Undo the latches on the boxes, then pull away the top of the box. Here's the accessory box with tools, the charger, and pedals. Remove the protective cardboard around the bike, then lift the box near the front of the bike. In that box is the front wheel and fender. The front fender stay is in the protective cardboard near the rear of the bike. Remove protective wrapping. Here's everything that comes with the Galaxy C. Use the Allen wrench to loosen the head stem cap to install the handlebars. The aluminum cap is not necessary for assembly and can be recycled. Insert the handlebars with the head stem onto the head part. Screw into place with the Allen wrench. Confirm that the handlebars and head stem are properly aligned with the front suspension, then fully tighten the head stem screw into place. Unscrew the cap connecting the front wheel axle to the front fork. Remove the axle. Remove the protective plastic from between the front brake calipers. Slide the front fork into place, ensuring the front wheel rests fully on the front fork. Ensure the disc brakes are properly placed between the brake calipers. Return the front axle and cap, ensuring the springs are placed in between the front fork and the cap and end of the axle. Tighten to secure into place. To install a front fender, use a screwdriver to fully loosen one of the screws on the front fender. Place the front fender stay in position, then tighten the screws into place. Use an Allen wrench and open end wrench to loosen the bolt and washer in the middle of the front fork. Then place the front fender at the rear of the front fork, then tighten into place. Loosen the bolt and washer from both sides of the front fork. Position the front fender stays into place, then screw the bolt and washer back into place. To install the pedals, properly match the appropriate pedal to the appropriate side. Each pedal will have stickers with the letter L or R on them. To remove the battery, use the keys near the handlebar. Remove the battery cover by pulling down on the latch, then pulling out the cover. Place a key in the lock to unlock the battery from its position. Pull down on the latch on the battery to fully remove the battery from its holding. Pressing the power button will display battery status. To return the battery, simply place it bottom first into its holding. Press it into place and you'll hear the clicking sound of it locking into place. Return the battery cover, then lift the latch up fully to secure the cover into place. Turn on the Galaxy K by pressing the red power button and adjust pedal assist with the plus and minus buttons. Use the left or right triangles to turn on turn signals. Press the light button to turn on the headlight. You can plug the charger cord in directly to the frame via the port on the side of the bike. The LED light will turn red when it's charging. To adjust the seat height, unlatch the seat latch, then adjust accordingly. Make sure the seat is aligned with the bike frame. Thanks for watching.